welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be recording a series of easy and affordable nap time DIYs, so if you are interested in videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my videos. I'm going to be making this adorable bunny garland to put on my fireplace for spring. If you want to see how I made this, then stay tuned. I will have listed all of the supplies used below, but here is everything that I'm going to be using. Cotton balls, twine, glitter, spray adhesive, a glue stick, and the scrapbook paper is from Hobby Lobby, and then I just freehand drew that rabbit and to use as a stencil. So I just went ahead and traced the rabbit on each paper twice, so I will have 6 shapes, and then I went ahead and cut them out. Once I had all the rabbits cut out, I went ahead and placed them on an empty garbage bag and sprayed them with spray adhesive and then added the sparkles. Now I took my glue stick and just added some to where I wanted to place the cotton ball for the tail, just to make sure they would be extra secure. Here are all 6 with the tails on. I just cannot get over how cute these little guys are. I'm just taking my hole puncher and putting holes in each ear, and that is where we are going to be stringing the twine. When you're adding the twine, make sure you string it down through the first ear and up through the second ear, so when it's hanging, the twine is behind the ears and not in front. Okay, so here is the finished product. I loved how it turned out. I think it's perfect for what I was looking for. It's so springy and cute, and I hope that you all enjoyed this. Like I said, I will be doing a series on these DIY easy projects that I like to do during nap time. So if you are interested in these, please subscribe, comment below, and let me know what other type of DIY videos you would like to see. All right, bye guys.